Welcome back to the old TV strip apart. Get this copper out and brush this side off. Get it out. I'm gonna show you how I done that. I use a 4-head screwdriver. Get it in there. But I have to put my phone down to show you. Boy, get loose. Cause it's all plastic. Once you get it both one side loose, you can just peel it up. Peel it off like an apple. You can't get it off, just use the purse and pop it off. Same way the other way. Now just wiggle it around until you get it the other bottom half out, if you can. If not, you have to find a way to get it out. Yeah, that'll work. Break that off, man. Might have to do that all the way around. Oh, I got that part off. Once you get it up, you should be able to slide it off. Got it in there the best I can. Now I do that to the other side until I get it up. Even if it breaks again like it did on the first one, that's fine too. So that's all plastic. Trash. If you have any other way to, better way to do it, that's your choice. And it's showing you how I do it. Everybody has their own way of doing stuff. Now I think I got it loose. I might be able to pull it through. Just gotta get it off that lip first. Yeah, that way. Which one am I working on? This one. Oh. Might have to smash the other end more. I can't get it. Tough, tight. Twist it. Okay. That'll work. Do that too. Put that on. That don't come out now? Yeah. Yeah, that worked. Yeah. Number one's out. One of two. Let's see if I can do the other one. Should come out easier, huh? Yeah. There you go. There's that one. That one's easy. Now I just gotta work on getting this out. All this gotta come off. All the way on. Gotta get this off more. You can see it all wrapped up in here somewhere. Both sides. If I can get that off, then I'll be in good shape. And like I said, that's all plastic, so it's gonna break no matter what you do. It's like a piece of steel there. Yep, it is a piece of steel. Whatever works for you to get that out. And it sticks right to it, so that's steel. It sticks right to my magnet, so that's steel. That piece I just pulled out of here. As you can see, that's steel too. Any more? Nope. Okay, now I can break away on that. This is some kind of clip. Put the clip and holding this together here.